One example of a unit operation is a washing machine. Washing machines include mechanical, fluid flow, and mass transfer processes. The process begins with water flowing through a valve which controls what temperature of the water the tub of the washing machine is filled with, either hot or cold. Before going into the tub, the water is sent to an anti-siphon device which prevents wash water from being sucked into water supply lines. Inside the tub, a drive mechanism agitates the clothes, causing them to move back and forth, and also spins the tub to force water out. The tub has many small holes to allow water to drain. This water is then pumped out into the drain line or back into the tub. To remove dirt from clothes, detergent is used. Through adsorption, the surfactants found in detergents attach to the dirt in our clothes with their hydrophobic ends. The tumbling motion and friction that occurs when agitating the clothes breaks down the dirt into smaller molecules. During the rinse cycle, water molecules attach to the hydrophilic ends of the surfactants, and the dirt is removed. Another example is the making of tea, which includes the mass transfer process of diffusion and heat transfer processes. The electric kettle, which was used to boil the water, is placed on top of a metal plate. Inside this plate lies a thick metal coil called a heating element. When plugged into an outlet, a large electric current passes through, and its resistance turns the electrical energy into heat energy. Heat passes through the water through conduction, allowing it to boil. Before placing the tea bag in the cup of hot water, the tannin molecules, which cause a golden brown color of tea, are very concentrated, whereas the cup of water has none. Going from high to low, the molecules diffuse into the water. The tea bag acts as a semi-permeable membrane in that it only allows small molecules containing color and flavor to pass through. The heat of the water causes the molecules to move faster. The tannin molecules continue to diffuse out until the concentration is equal throughout the tea. A hairdryer is a unit operation that uses mechanical and heat transfer processes. It takes in room temperature air through its vents and heats it. A hairdryer is composed of a heating element and an electric fan. When plugged in and the dryer is switched into the on position, current flows through. It first flows through the heating element, which is typically made of nichrome wire. The heating element acts as a resistor and turns the electrical energy into heat energy. The current then passes through the electric motor, which causes the fan to spin. This directs the air down the barrel of the hairdryer and allows it to flow over the heating element, warming the air through forced convection. Hairdryers allow you to dry your hair faster by reducing the relative humidity. When hair is heated, its relative humidity decreases. The lower it is, the more easily water evaporates. These are just a few examples of unit operations.